Here is our best down bar by far in this whole uptrend. Just there are no down bars like this. Usually that indicates that change of behavior. That's why we call it the change of behavior bar. In a true distribution into the much global reaccumulation type of style, we're gonna have the rally that's gonna be retracing maybe not as much. Look how much we've retraced here. We retraced probably 90% of this whole move. And then there is no true continuation. There is no opposing forces coming in. There's some kind of reaction, and then we exhaust ourselves. Like this exhaustion usually shows weakness, like this. This does not exhaust. This is just demand immediately comes in on this bar and on this bar. I'm sorry, on both of them, right? Like here and here. On both bars, demand is coming in just because they're spiky. And yes, it improves over this, but see how exhaustion here happens. Here does not happen.